In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a round logo using Canva. Whether you're a business owner looking to create a brand identity, or just someone who loves getting creative, Canva is a fantastic tool to help bring your visions to life. So, let's dive in and explore how you can design a round logo in just 5 minutes. To get started, open your favorite web browser and go to Canva's website. Once you're there, you'll see a search bar right at the top of the page. You want to type in round logo. Canva has a wide array of options and designs curated specifically for creating round logos. This is where you'll find templates that suit a variety of styles and preferences. Whether you're into something minimalistic or looking for a more elaborate design, once you've typed round logo in the search bar, hit enter and allow Canva to pull up the options for you. After you've got the search results, it's time to pick a logo template that catches your eye. You'll see a range of choices popping up on your screen, each offering a unique style. Take a moment to browse through them and consider what aligns with the feel you're going for. Remember, the beauty of using a template is that it gives you a strong starting point, which is especially useful if you're not a professional designer. Once you find the logo template that feels right, go ahead and give it a click. Now let's get down to customizing it to make it truly yours. On the template page, you'll see an option that says customize this template. Clicking on this will take you into Canva's editor, where the magic happens. This is where you can let your creativity flow as you modify the template to suit your brand or personal taste. Within the editor, you can edit the text, which is a pivotal step in personalizing your logo. Click on any text within the design and you'll be able to change the words, font, size and color. Think about what message you want your logo to convey and adjust the text accordingly. The editor allows you to play around with different fonts and colors, so don't hesitate to experiment until you hit the perfect combination. And there you have it. In just a short amount of time, you have learned how to create a round logo with Canva. Remember, this process is meant to bring your creative ideas to life, so have fun with it. Explore the various tools Canva offers and continue tweaking and refining your design until it perfectly captures the essence of what you want to communicate. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.